What can I do for you?
Good morning. I am suffering from fatigue. I think it is because of stress and poor diet. So, what would be the best that you can advise for me?
So, sir, for the meantime, I can give or advise for you to have some multivitamins or some ginseng. But for me, it is really the best for you to see a physician in your condition.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning. So, what's your name, sir?
My name is Mr. John Jones.
So, how old are you?
I am 50 years old.
What brings you here, sir?
I think I am suffering fatigue because of stress and poor diet.
Okay, so just hand this to the medical technologies. I will just run some tests.
Hello.
Welcome. You're the missus. Okay, bye.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
I came from the neurologist and she said that I will give this to you.
May I see? Okay, please come with me.
Good morning, doc. Here are the results.
So, you have myasthenia gravis. So, I will prescribe pyridostigmine bromide, 60 milligram tablets with half a tablet to be taken 4 times daily initially. Then, increase up to 6 tablets a day if the muscle weakness does not improve, okay? And I will also prescribe hyoscine butyl bromide, 10 milligrams tablet, 2 of which were to be taken up to 4 times daily. Okay? So, here's the prescription.
Okay, doc. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. It's you again.
I consulted a physician and this is what she has given me.
Let me see. Oh, so here's your prescription means. You're gonna need pyridostigmine bromide, 60 milligrams tablet, and hyoscine butyl bromide. Can I get it for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
So here's your medicine, sir, and this is how you're gonna take it. So for pyridostigmine bromide, 60 milligrams, you're gonna take half a tablet 4 times daily. So it means you're gonna take 2 tablets a day. Is that okay? Okay. And for hyoscine butyl bromide, 10 milligrams tablet, you're gonna take 2 tablets 4 times daily. So how many tablets? You're gonna need 8 tablets for hyoscine. Is that okay, sir? So respectively, you're gonna take your medicine fervently. So thank you so much, sir. Here's your medicine.
Thank you.
And here's your prescription.
Thank you, ma'am.